Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix unable to log in and unexpected error occur. Please try logging in again. For example, if you try to log in your Facebook account and you see this kind of error, unable to log in and unexpected error occurred, please try logging in again. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on general. In general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings again, and you have to go to general. So here you have to click on iPhone storage again, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Facebook here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on offload the app. As you click on offload app, there will be option available reinstall the app. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reinstall the app, and after reinstalling the app, what you have to do, you have to go back, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. And in App Store, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether Facebook is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app, and after updating, you have to simply log in your Facebook account again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for some time so that a new update is available and it can be fixed by the newest update of the Facebook. Because this kind of error usually occur when there is an error in the Facebook server. So you have to wait for some time so that it can be solved by the Facebook. If the problem is still there, you can simply go for the help center of the Facebook. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and after that you have to simply search for Facebook help center, and after that you have to simply ask the help from Facebook help center, and after that you have to click on the first link you are provided with, and you have to simply provide all the details to the Facebook, and if they will solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.